Next, Denbighshire Council has voted to relax the age limit on wheelchair-accessible taxis in a bid to improve the availability of school transport. The licensing committee heard that under the previous policy, vehicles older than 12 years were removed from use entirely. Now those same vehicles must meet Euro 6 emissions standards and undergo 3 compliance inspections a year once they reach the age threshold. The change follows consultation with 300 drivers and is intended to be temporary until a full review in June 2026. Officials acknowledged legal risks but said equality duties must be upheld. Towyn and Penlee community hospitals are still without inpatient beds as staff endure ongoing uncertainty about their future. The health board said closures were down to limited patient demand, staffing shortages and unsustainable care models. Since the decision, additional beds have opened at Dolgelly Hospital and other services have been expanded. Staff have been redeployed and recruitment efforts have improved, but reopening the wards has been ruled out for now. Public consultation events have been held and engagement with LICE and local politicians is continuing. A final decision is expected by the end of the year. A man has been arrested after 2 dogs were found inside a suspected stolen vehicle on the A55 near Colwyn Bay. Police say the BMW X5 was towing a caravan erratically and was pulled over after multiple reports from the public. The driver, a 30-year-old from County Louth in Ireland, was arrested on suspicion of multiple offences including drug driving, theft of a motor vehicle and the suspected theft of dogs. The pets were taken to kennels while officers worked to identify the second owner. The man has been remanded to court on a separate matter. Campaigners say new police guidelines allowing searches of women after late pregnancy loss are distressing and outdated. The NPCC says searches are rare and based on suspicion of criminality. But women in Gwynedd say the policy could traumatise grieving families. Police say compassion must guide any investigations. Wales's 4 police forces confirm no searches have taken place since the new guidance came into effect, and that safeguarding the emotional well-being of bereaved women remains a priority for all investigating officers.